Hello everyone and welcome back. Today let's play with some patching challenges. First I've got a Mr. Bill's program here that has a tip of the day message displayed, and it is also an unregistered program, meaning we have to find a way to get a premium version as well as display a different message for fun. Immediately upon loading the program into x32dbg, I've noticed that if I look up the strings, it seems to mention an open as well as the file string with a colon. After I put breakpoints there, the program ran and I was able to notice that it's actually loading a tips.txt file, which loads our tip of the day. I have quickly made a tips.txt file with a custom message inside, and once I opened my program, the message appeared. That's pretty cool, but I still have an unregistered license and we don't like that. Looking into the strings a bit more, I found a string saying, "You've entered an invalid email address or a license number, please try again." Following that, I can see a clear comparison above it where I've put the breakpoint. I tried to input some random information, and when I clicked register and inverted my zero flag value, we have successfully pawned this software. It says, "Thank you for registering." You can see at the top that the message unregistered has been removed as well. We can easily patch this JNE right now to save our pawned version of the program. After that, let's look into another example, the Pixtopian book software. It looks like the title says that we have an unregistered version. We have limitations in creating contacts and groups, which we are going to bypass. How are we going to bypass these limitations? Well, simple. First, we're going to change the message of the day as a joke too. Let's change "this is an unregistered version" message, and I'll just follow this in dump and change it up to something more appropriate. I'm keeping in mind the size in bytes for the message so I don't screw anything up, and after doing that, we get our cool new message that is a bit more appropriate for this channel. So let's also make our software way more usable. Since we can make more groups and contacts, I've already followed the strings since it is the easiest way to find our comparison for limitations, and I found this JL statement saying "please register" if you aren't registered. You can notice that it compares EAX to number 3, which is the number of groups allowed for the non-registered version of the software. I'm going to be kind and change this to 77. Now we can make only 77 groups instead of 3 that the non-premium software gives us. Next up, we can also notice that we cannot add more than 4 people inside a group. That's not a lot of people, right? Well, let's fix that too. Again, a really simple thing that we can do is we can just see the EAX comparison with the number 4, and we can change that to 77, for example, again. And it just works. We have now pawned this version of the software. And that will be all. I know that was very simple, but I really like patching lately, so I needed to make this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.